How to permanently delete your Upwork account. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're ever looking to delete your Upwork account and you can't seem to figure out how to do that, then it's pretty simple and I will show you guys step by step. So the first thing you have to do is log on to Upwork, and it really doesn't matter if you have two-factor authentication enabled. You just want to log on to your Upwork account. Now, once you have logged on to Upwork, once you click on your profile on the top right, you want to click on settings. Now, sometimes it might ask you to re-enter your password, and if you don't have that option enabled, it might not ask you. But once you have gone onto your settings page, you have your user settings. Within user settings, the second option is contact info. Usually this is the default page when you open up your settings. So you just want to click on contact info. And then within contact info on the bottom right, you will see this option over here called close my account. So just click on close my account, and then you're just going to enter the reason why you don't want to use Upwork and click on close account. Once you click on the submit over here, you will have to re-log in and your account will be deleted. And that is how you can delete your account. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.